5 facts about Arctic foxes you may not know.
Number 5. The ultimate winter coat.
Arctic foxes have the warmest fur of any mammal on the planet. They can survive temperatures as low as -70 degrees Celsius without even shivering. But here's the strange part. Their white fur isn't actually white at all. Each hair is completely see-through and hollow. That hollow space traps air, which works like insulation in a puffer jacket. And the way the light bounces off it makes the fur look white. In summer, they molt and swap this winter outfit for chocolate brown or grey coats, so they blend in with rocks, mud and plants instead of snow.
Number 4. Built-in snow boots and X-ray hearing.
Arctic foxes have thick fur on the bottoms of their feet. It looks a bit like they're wearing fluffy slippers. They're the only dogs or foxes that have this, and it acts like built-in snowshoes, spreading their weight so they don't sink in deep snow, and keeping their toes warm on ice.
They also have incredible hearing. They can pick up the tiny scratching sounds of lemmings moving around under up to 60 centimetres of snow. When they lock onto the sound, they leap high into the air and dive headfirst through the snow to grab prey they can't even see. It's like hunting using sound and guesswork instead of sight. Number 3. Life on moving ice.
Arctic foxes often follow polar bears across the sea ice, picking off leftovers from bear kills and scavenging anything they can find. Scientists have tracked individual foxes travelling over 2,000 miles across drifting sea ice in search of food. They're one of the very few mammals that can live out on Arctic sea ice far from land for long periods. Their sense of smell is so sharp they can detect seal pups hidden in dens buried deep under snow and ice. In one study, a tagged fox travelled from Norway all the way to Canada across the ice in just a few months.
Number 2. Family teamwork and fox nannies.
During breeding season, Arctic fox families work together as a proper team. A breeding pair can have large litters, sometimes 10 or more pups. And raising that many mouths in such a harsh environment is a big job. Older brothers and sisters from previous years often stay with the parents and help out. They bring food, guard the den, and watch the pups, acting as nannies. This kind of cooperative breeding is rare in wild dogs and foxes. It means the young have more protection and more feeders, which really improves their chances of surviving their first winter.
Number 1.
Masters of energy saving and food storage.
This one's wild.
Arctic foxes can slow their metabolism down by up to 50% in winter. That means their bodies burn far less energy when food is hard to find, so they can survive on much less for long periods. Their heart rate and other body processes drop, but they can still move and hunt when they need to.
They also think ahead.
In summer, when prey like lemmings and bird chicks are easier to catch, they store hundreds of leftovers in shallow holes and cracks in the ground, turning the frozen landscape into a giant pantry. Months later, when everything is covered in snow and food is scarce, they remember where many of these food stashes are and dig them back up to survive. Which one surprised you most? Drop a number 1 to 5 in the comments. Subscribe for more fascinating animal facts.